What's going on, guys? Barber CVO in the building. We are here in Perth Amboy, New Jersey, getting ready to go to this bike night for the Ruff Ryders. We're here to support them, and we're setting up here real quick, meeting up with everybody right now, and got a few more bikes from our club that's going to meet up here at the Quick Check in Perth Amboy. All right, let me show you the bikes a little bit real quick so you guys look at that.
22. What happened, back? Right when you get into, right when you pass 287.
Look at that, look at that. Getting ready.
For me? In the medium. Don't get me wrong, man.
Bikes right there. All right, so we'll get back to you once we hit the road, and we'll go right there. We'll meet up with you guys in Iselin, New Jersey. All right, stay tuned.
Now I gotta clean her up. She looks real good. My brother buffed her out before we went to Florida.
Yeah. Good. Looking clean, looking clean. Very nice. Here we are, bike night, here we go. Wild Wings. We met up with the Ruff Ryders over here. I met up with some friends from Jersey City, David's Barbershop in the building. Who else? There's a lot of people here. It's pretty cool. We're about to get something to eat, and it's like I said, it's just like a little gathering to support the Ruff Ryders, and we'll be back. All right, we'll check out the bikes in a few minutes. All right, so we're at Buffalo Wild Wings here. We got the famous wings. I haven't had Buffalo Wild Wings in a while. We got the big ass burger. Bomb. Nice. Nighttime views. Clear intake. This nigga right next to me. I gotta fix my shit. I'm gonna rim down, nigga. Ain't a rim, nigga. I'm waiting. You moving up? Yeah, baby, you know.
If you can't go inside, you can't order the bill in the lot. Also, they have little deals that you go inside as well.
was actually.
Like that?
Yeah, absolutely.
A bunch of sports bikes. Looking pretty good. People are gonna be pulling up. Some people are gonna be pulling up pretty soon. Alright guys, we'll end the night here at Buffalo Wild Wings with the bike night for the Ruff Ryders. Pretty cool turnout, a lot of bikes. So stay tuned till next week. We're gonna be having our own bike night in I think it's North Plainfield. The flyer is on my Instagram. You can try to check it out. I'm not really sure. I have to check out the flyer exactly when it is. But make sure you like, subscribe, comment below. Let me know what you think, all right? Peace.